In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right AI tools for your business and turn them into a practical workflow. If you're just getting started with AI, the most important first step is to decide what business task you actually want help with. Don't begin by picking a tool at random. Instead, start with the job you need done. Maybe you want help writing content, answering customer questions, doing research, improving product images, or building an online store. When you begin with a clear task, it becomes much easier to choose the right AI for the job and avoid wasting time. For general business tasks, ChatGPT is a strong place to start. You can use it for writing emails, product descriptions, blog drafts, and marketing copy. It can also help with planning, whether that means organizing ideas, creating outlines, or mapping out simple strategies. If your work includes coding, it can support basic development tasks, troubleshooting, or explaining code in plain language. It's also useful for customer support, especially when drafting replies, creating templates, or improving the tone and clarity of responses. For research and workflows connected to Google Tools, Gemini or other Bard-style assistants can be especially helpful. These tools are often useful when gathering information, summarizing topics, comparing options, or supporting tasks that connect more naturally with Google-based work. If your process involves documents, online research, or pulling together quick overviews, this can be a smart addition to your setup. When your business needs visual ideas, Midjourney is a great option for generating creative images and concept visuals. This is useful for brainstorming branding directions, exploring product presentation ideas, or creating inspiration for campaigns. Even if you don't use the first image exactly as it is, it can help you move from a vague idea to something visible and easier to refine. If you run an online store, Shopify tools can help you build, manage, or improve that store more efficiently. This may include updating product pages, improving the shopping experience, or making the store easier for customers to use. The goal is to support your sales process with tools designed specifically for e-commerce. As you grow more comfortable, combine these tools into one workflow. For example, one tool can help with research, another can write the content, another can create visuals, and Shopify can help you publish the final result. Before you publish or sell anything, always test the output carefully. Check for accuracy, quality, and consistency. And finally, keep improving your prompts and your process over time. The better your instructions become, the better your results will be.